Video, I am going to highlight a new feature in our Plex driver. Once you have installed the Plex driver according to the instructions that are in the integration note, we have a new feature that allows you to create or use the media in the Plex server and create event maps that trigger an autoplay of that media, such as a movie, playlist, an album, a song, or a TV show. Once you've set up the drivers and you have configured all your sources and all your players, you want to set up your screen in a split window, so where you have your viewer in one side and you have the configurator on one side, because we're going to need to copy and paste or type some information directly from the viewer into the configurator. The first thing that we need is in order to enable this feature, the first thing we will need to enable the display keys. This is going to give us the media key that we're going to use to actually link the media to the event map. Then under the playlist settings, you can do up to 12 of these per player. What we will need is you'll need to navigate to your library, and let's say the first thing that we want to do is we want to play an album. We'll go to the music library and we will look at the albums. Now, when we enabled the key, this number comes up. And so if we want to play this entire album based on an event at home, we need this 5532 number right before the dash. So we will type this number in here. You want to pick the right media type, and this is a music album. If you don't pick the right media type, Plex will not play this automatically. And then in this case, we always want to play this from the beginning. Let's choose a song. So again, let's pick an album here, click into it, and now let's say we want to choose this song to play every time there's an event. So we can type in the number, and again, this is a song, and we always want to play it from the beginning. We can also add a playlist. So let's say that this is a movie playlist, so we'll type this number, and now I understand why we need to have a split window. It just makes typing numbers much easier. So this is a video playlist, and we want to always play this from the last position. And I've created another one here. This is a music playlist. Let's go ahead and add that in here as well. And these playlists are created in Plex. They're not created in the driver or in Elan anyway. You create these in the Plex web admin. So again, this is a audio playlist, and we want to play this from the beginning, and now we hit apply. So we've created these 4 event maps now, and we can trigger these based on any events that we want to. And in order to create an event map, go back to the driver, to the device itself, and let's say that we want to create an event map for playlist number 1. Actually, we're going to play this playlist, and the way you do that is you go to the media sources, you click on the media device, and in this case it is Roku Plex, and we are going to start playlist number 1. That's the event, and we're going to do this. Let's say that we are going to do this when, let's see, let's pick one here. Maybe when we're home, we're going to trigger this this playlist. And so if I test this command, what this will do, if this is a Roku device, what it will do is it will actually launch Plex on Roku, and it will actually go ahead and start playing the playlist automatically. And this will be triggered every time we come home, or you can obviously create any kind of event map to go ahead and trigger this particular playlist or video list. You could do this in a home setting. This is great for commercial settings as well. If you are in a restaurant, at a retail location, and you want to play these things automatically when they open up at a certain time, now you have a way of actually playing full videos and full audio directly from your Plex server or from the network.